Hello and welcome to my channel, Diligent Meek. And today the topic which we are going to discuss is how to, um, choose a specific version of Python to run your Python file. Now, let me show you why are we doing this. See, so this is my command prompt. Just let me increase the font size. Okay. So I guess it's too much. Bear with me. So this is my command prompt. All right. Now, in order to check that how many versions of Python are installed in your system, so you just type py space 2 times hyphen and then type list. So these are the two versions which are installed in your system. One is 3.8 version and other one is 3.7 version. And this star sign basically means that your Python launcher is automatically running the most updated version of Python which is installed in your system, and that is 3.8. Now, both these versions, 3.8 and 3.7, have their own modules, have their own libraries, right? Now, I have a program. For example, I have a program which is a tic-tac-toe program, which I made an effort in developing using Python. And it required me to import certain libraries like Pygame and, like time. So time library was already there with version 3.7 and also with 3.8, but Pygame library I had to install. So I did install my Python library Pygame using this command, which is pip install Pygame. So if you're going to press enter, so it will basically, because I've already installed, so it is showing me the requirement is already satisfied, right? And you all know, if you want to check that which version your particular prompt, for example, my command prompt, which version my prompt would be running is 3.7. Okay, but then when you type py, this basically means that which version your Python launcher is going to launch by default. That is your most updated version, which is 3.8. All right. Now this Python 3.8 comes with Anaconda, and therefore this version is now activated, but like this version is now run by my command prompt, but it is yet to be activated because it's in a Conda environment. So basically, or clearly you could see that this platform, this command prompt is not the perfect platform to run this version of Python, which is 3.8. Okay, so I need to come out from this. Okay, and now if I'm trying to run my program, which is stored in D drive and in the folder Python projects, artificial intelligence. This is the complete name of my folder. And inside this folder, I have my file installed. Oh, sorry, I have my file saved. Okay. Now, when I type in the name of my file, which I want it to get executed, so I'm getting this error which says no module named Pygame. Now, as I've already shown you here, that when I mention pip installed Pygame, so it shows that requirement has already been satisfied. Okay, when you are running this command pip install Pygame, so the prompter gave me this message that the requirement is already satisfied, this library is already installed, and it shows the location also where it is stored. So this library is installed with Python 3.7. Okay, now as I said, that py version is running Python 3.8. So for Python 3.8, this Pygame library is not yet installed. So now there are two solutions. Either I run Anaconda prompt, okay, and then I type in the same command pip install Pygame. So if I do not want, or if I do not wish to do that, I have already installed my library and I have two versions installed in my system, and I want to use Python 3.7 where my Pygame library is already installed. So why to go to Anaconda prom and install Pygame library for that as well? So if I want to use this version, Python 3.7, to run my program, what should I do? There are two ways. Okay, the first one is very simple. like both the ways are very simple. What you can do is just type Python, all right, and space, and now type in your Python file name and press enter. Now your program is going to run. Before it was showing me this error that there was no module named Pygame. Earlier it was showing me this error that there was no module named Pygame, but after I typed Python, this means that I'm explicitly calling Python 3.7.3, because when I type, I'm sorry, yeah, when I type here, let me just scroll down a bit. So when I type Python here, so it shows me clearly that which version of Python is going to be run by command prompt. All right. So by default, it's going to run Python 3.7.3. All right. So now what I have to do is I just have to type Python and then space and then my file name. Okay. So this is one of the way to run your program. Now there is one more way what we can do. Minimize this prompter, open your text editor. Okay. Now, after opening this text editor, you can do this. Open your file. Okay. Open your file. This is my file. Now, at the top of your file, just type in this command, hash exclamation space Python. Okay, and specify the version 3.7. Now my operating system is in 64-bit. Okay, so there is no need for me to type -64 or to explicitly tell the Python launcher to launch this version of Python in order to execute my file. So I can skip this portion. Otherwise, if you're going to type Python 3.7-64, it's going to make no difference. Okay, so I can just, or let me just show you this also. It's not going to, it's not going to make any difference. Now save. Okay, so you have mentioned this command, hash exclamation Python 3.7-64. Now minimize this. You have already saved this this changes. Now minimize your text editor, open your command prompt, and now you don't have to mention Python also. Now type in your file name and press enter. It's going to work. Okay, and let me show you. If you're going to remove this 64-bit, as I told, my operating system is already at 64-bit, so there is no need for me to mention -64. So now I save it again. I save these changes, minimize, and again, if I'm going to type in my file name and run this program, so it's going to run. Okay. So these are the two ways in which you can use your specific version of Python to execute your particular program. And if you like this solution, if you find this useful and informative, so please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more update. Thank you.